Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let's start our presentation with safety box with RFID system. So this is my team members, our team members, me, Muhammad Farham bin Zainuddin, which my job is to understanding the problem and figure out or an improvement of the product. And my partner Adi Muhammad Ibrahim designing the product based on the problem and objective of the product. So welcome to the 3 days agenda. So this presentation will consist of introduction, product description, methodology, Arduino setup, and also the conclusion for this project. So for the introduction, usually safe deposit box is a medium that can be used to store one or more valuable objects. Generally, safe have a function to protect valuable objects from thief or robbery. For the information, there are 4 elements that need to be considered for an effective protection system. So, first and foremost, detection and assessment. To be specified, a system that can detect and also verify any unauthorized attempt by an outsider. Next is a communication element, which is to ensure that all pertinent information was transferred to some point where a proper action can be taken. Moreover, a delaying system that impede the adversary penetrate into or exit from the area being protected. And last but not least, a response system that can counter and neutralize a threat. Next, we move on with a problem statement. First, the problem statement is that the key of normal safe box might be stolen or being duplicated by irresponsible person. And next, there are no other ways if the key has been lost rather than break the safety box, so the safety box will be damaged. And lastly, the key does not have a long lifespan as it will rust and rot, and it will be totally useless for the user. So now, for the objective of the project. First, shorter processes. As we know, the system can be integrated with other manufacturing or supply chain technologies to facilitate the user, as they just need to remember the pin that has been set up for the safe box. Next, rapid payback time. RFID is a very cost-effective technology, and the cost saving and enhanced revenue archive can very quickly cover the cost of the initial outlay. And lastly, the liability. Liability is to ensure the user have a long-term safe box that can totally protect their money from losing. Okay, we move on to the product description. This is the list of the component. We have the input, the output, and also the process. So for the input, we have ultra distance sonic sensor and the passcode. And for the output, we have a buzzer, LCD2x16, Marco Servo, and LED light, which is we use red and also green. And for the process, in the process, we use Arduino Uno R3, which is the process we perform according to the command that have been programmed in Uno software. Thus, it will come up with the outcome that had been planning.
Next, my name is Aidil bin Muhammad Ibrahim, and I will present about Arduino setup. These are the flowchart for the safety box with RFID scanner. So basically, there are 3 situations will involve in this simulation. First, we start our simulation, and then the LCD 16x2 will show to insert the password. Then after that, we go to ultrasonic distance sensor and move the point in the range which act as the card was scanned. And then we insert the correct passcode, which is 1212, and then the door will unlock. The green LED light also will light up, and also the LCD will show door unlock. And the second situation, we move away the point which act as no card or scan and put the passcode again. 1 2 1 2. But then the door will remain locked even the green LED light up. The third situation, we put the point in the range again, but we put the wrong passcode, which is 1 2 3 4. And as you can see, the piezo which acts as the buzzer will buzz, and also the red LED light will light up, and LCD will show invalid password. So the door will remain locked. This is the result for the three situations that I explained before. For situation 1, situation 2, and also situation 3. The table states about the three situations, and it will help us to more understand about the situation. First, we enter the correct passcode, and the RFID tag was scanned, so the door will unlock. Second situation, we enter the correct passcode, but no RFID tag was scanned, so the door will remain locked. The last one, we entered the wrong passcode, so it will totally lock even the RFID tag was scanned. This will ensure the safety of our box.
Okay, at the end of this mini project, we will conclude that this project is very useful for the student to enhance their knowledge and ability to use Arduino Uno and also Tinkercad in real life application. That's all for us. Thank you.